Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best resin clock mold is probably one of the most exciting DIY projects you can dive into. Imagine crafting your own unique timepieces, personalized to match your home decor or as a special gift. With the right mold, you can unleash your creativity, experimenting with colors, designs, and embellishments to create stunning clocks that are both functional and beautiful. Get ready to transform your crafting experience. Number 5. Tucocoo DIY Clock Resin Molds Kit. This kit includes a large clock resin mold and a black clock movement. It allows you to personalize your own clock for home decor or as a unique gift. The package contains a large silicone mold and a clock movement with hour, minute, and second hands. Everything you need to get started is right here. The finished clock size is 12 by 4 by 0.39 inches. The movement is compact, and the hands are perfectly sized for easy time telling. The silicone mold is made of durable material, ensuring it can be used for a long time. You can create custom clocks and photo displays with ease. Simply twist the mold after the resin cures to release your creation. Remember not to use sharp objects that could damage the mold. Unleash your creativity by adding glitter, dyes, or dried flowers to the resin. It's a perfect gift for weddings, anniversaries, or any special occasion. Make it unforgettable. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need to get started, including the mold and clock movement. It's perfect for beginners. If you're looking for a comprehensive set that simplifies the crafting process, this is the one for you. What people say. Great mold, I am able to make so many designs. The mold was sturdy enough during the pouring process, but easy enough to pull off. Easy to use, good silicone mold and good depth when filled with resin. Number 4. Resin Casting 4-Pack Clock Face Molds. Introducing the 4-Pack Clock Face Molds. This set allows you to craft beautiful and personalized clocks. It's perfect for adding a unique touch to your home decor. The molds include 4 sets with different number styles. You can choose from hollow, Roman, Arabic numerals, and even constellations. The finished product is 5.9 inches in diameter. Made from shiny, flexible silicone, this mold ensures a mirror-like finish. It's easy to demold and reusable, making it ideal for various resin projects. Use these molds to create desk clocks or wall hangings. The possibilities are endless, allowing you to make both decorative and functional pieces. It's a great way to showcase your creativity. These epoxy molds are made with durable silicone using advanced techniques. They are soft, light, and easy to use. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts. DIY your own crafts and show off your great taste. These clocks will look eye-catching in your home. They also make great gifts and coasters. What we like. With 4 different styles, you can create a variety of clock faces. The mirror-like finish adds a professional touch. If you like creating unique home decor pieces, this mold will help you achieve stunning results. What people say. Design variety. The set includes 4 distinct clock face molds featuring hollow numbers, Roman numerals, Arabic numerals, and 12 constellations, allowing for a range of creative designs. Size. Each mold produces a clock face with a diameter of 5.9 inches, suitable for wall decorations or desk clocks. The molds are sturdy silicone, with enough depth to add some small effects, like flat dried flowers, small crushed crystal gem shards, laminated image photo, etc. Number 3. Daimay Clock Alarm Casting Molds, 2 styles. These Daimay molds come in 2 styles, allowing you to craft different clock designs simultaneously. The flexible silicone material ensures the finished products are easy to remove. Made from high-quality silicone, this mold is reusable and built to last. Its simple design makes it easy to create perfect crafts every time. The molds are designed for easy use and cleaning. You won't need to polish the finished clocks. Simply wash it with soapy water and store it in a dry place. Get creative with resin. You can add beads, rhinestones, sequins, colors, dried flowers, or pictures to personalize your clocks. The possibilities are endless. Please remember that this product contains small parts. Keep it away from children and do not put it in the mouth. What we like. This mold allows you to make different clocks simultaneously. It's simple to use and clean, making it ideal for repeated use. If you're a fan of efficiency and want to create multiple crafts at once, consider this option. What people say. Silicone mold quality is great, can't wait to make it. I made a couple cute clocks with them so far. Turned out well. Forse un po' piccolini ma sono davvero ben fatto. Number 2. RESINWORLD 14 Round XL Tray Mold. This mold is designed with a 14-inch diameter and a 2-inch depth, allowing you to create multi-layered resin art. It's perfect for crafting trays and other decorative items. Made from shiny silicone, this mold ensures your finished products have a mirror-like finish. It's flexible, easy to demold, reusable, and simple to clean. Use it to create fruit trays, geode agate trays, serving trays, or even resin clocks. The possibilities are endless for home decor and special events. Compatible with epoxy and UV resin, you can add pigments, dried flowers, or dyes to personalize your projects. Let your creativity flow with this versatile mold. It's an adorable gift for resin craft lovers. Give this to friends and family so they can enjoy their resin crafting time. What we like. The extra large size allows for creative layering and unique designs. The shiny surface gives a professional look. If you want to create statement pieces like serving trays or large clocks, this mold is perfect for you. What people say. The molds are easy to use and the finished product is beautiful. The clock molds are great and the finished product is amazing. The molds are very easy to use and the finished product is beautiful. Number 1. Clock parts for clock resin mold. These clock parts are a great choice for crafting or gifting. They are made with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and a professional finish. You can create unique and beautiful clocks with them. The package includes 3 golden clock parts, 3 silver clock parts, and 18 spring leaves. It provides everything you need to start your clockmaking project. You'll have plenty of options for your designs. Each clock part has an overall diameter of approximately 2.5 inches. This size is perfect for creating various resin clock crafts. It allows you to make clocks of different sizes. First, open the battery cover. Then, install the 3 spring clips. Next, put the battery in and close the cover. Finally, place the clock parts into the solidified resin. It's easy to assemble and use. These clock parts require one 1.5 VAA battery, which is not included. Make sure you have a battery ready to power your clock. It's a common battery type, making it easy to find. What we like. This provides all the necessary clock parts to complete your resin projects. It's easy to install, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for a convenient way to finish your clock projects, this is a great choice. What people say. The clock inserts fit my resin clocks perfectly. They do provide the 3 metal clips which keeps the clock firmly in place. My clocks have kept the time perfectly since installing the AAA batteries. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.